Alright everyone, it's Phil C here with you, back for another video today. And what I'm looking at is two trading opportunities that I'm watching, that is on my radar right now. And if you want to follow along with me, the two trades that I'm looking at is, I think they're both bat patterns. We'll take a look at that in a second. It's over on the euro dollar is one of them, and pound yen is the other one. Both trade opportunities are on the 1 hour time frame. So with this one, let's take a quick look at the pound yen really fast. So what I'm looking at here, this is quite a big trade, this one. And we've already had quite a significant move here. We're up about 60 pips or so right here. And this pattern is a bat pattern. Yeah, so they're both bat patterns. I've become quite the bat pattern specialist, if you will. The past, I don't know, 6-7 videos or so. Because that seems to be the only thing that's in the marketplace. And we're actually doing really well. I have about a 63% win percentage on the bat pattern, so that's actually doing quite well. And I think we're just shy. We were up about 4%, but we're not anymore because I've taken a few hits. So we're about 3.6% or so, somewhere around there, which is good. If you can make 3% consistently every month, on average, not every single month, but let's say you average out and it works out to be 3% every month, then you're doing exceptionally well. You're doing extraordinarily well, to be honest with you. Because trading, just 90% of people who try this to try and be consistent with trading fail. That's the statistics. Numbers don't lie. That's the fact. And to be in the top 10% of traders, doing 3% consistently every single month is absolutely exceptional. You are in the top 10% of people in the world who make Forex work, because a lot of people who do this, who try out Forex trading, they don't do any profits consistently at all. So if you're able to maintain that and sustain that, I just wanted to point out to you today that you're doing exceptionally well. And don't let anybody else tell you different. Please. I really mean that. Don't let anyone else tell you different. Because if you can do that and you are consistent, yeah, you're doing exceptional. And you should be proud of that. I would be proud for you if you're doing that consistently. Or maybe you're not there yet, and you want to continue trying this and you'll continue going at it. You have my support. And better yet, actually, I didn't purposely construct all of that to get people on my platform, but this is the perfect time to say that if you want someone who is there to support you every step of the way, then please consider joining the platform that I developed on the weekend called Star Classroom. If you're watching on YouTube, the link is in the description and it is free to join. And after you do join, click on the community tab, download Slack, and join that so we can talk and we can chat and I can help you out with your trading right now. Yeah, so let's take a look at the bat patterns here. On the pound yen 1 hour time frame, we came down, so it was about here. Remember to roll your fibs. I'm here to remind you to roll your fibs. Right now we came down. Price action pushes all the way down, right? Into our 8 886 right here. I'm slipped actually quite a lot. Right down into the 886. Okay, so we have a 50% here on our B point. 50% on our B point and a 618 on our C point. Price comes all the way down into the 886, and then we get involved in this trade. We are about we are about 9 pips away from target, so that's good. What I want to do with targets, and you should already know this by now, excuse me, is a Fibonacci retracement from full leg of the move like this, right? So my targets were originally up at here, 382 for target 1 and 618 for target 2. They were originally there. So I'm here to remind you yet again to roll your fibs. Always be measuring. Because if you're trading patterns, you are using Fibonacci's. That's how we measure. That's how we even form the pattern. Based on human behavior, historically. Right? We use the Fibonacci. So if we have to use that and we have to measure, that means that if price action does push down like this, okay, so if our entry is here and price action does push down, we have to roll our fibs with price action, okay? And that's why I had to move my targets down. So now we've got targets here, 382 right there. And then targets 2 at the 618 right there. So again, if price action pushes down even further, then we would have to consider rolling our fibs again, no matter how far it pushes down. So we're always measuring something and we adjust targets, right? We adjust target 1, 382, and we adjust target 2 at the 618. Now right here, as you can see, we're almost hitting target, okay? I'm not going to do anything right now. I'm not going to go to the broker platform and then, oh, you know, almost hit target, I'm going to take off the trade. I'm not doing that. I'm letting the trade play out. I'm letting it do its thing. That's it. This is all I have to do is follow my rules every single day. That's it. With discipline. If I follow my rules every single day with discipline, over time, we're going to be profitable. Because remember, that's what I tested. So if that's what I tested and I come in every single day and I trade the exact same way, now I know past performance is not indicative of future events. We know that. But back testing, it's the only measuring stick we have. And if we've been profitable for over a decade trading, maybe if we trade the exact same way, the probability that we're going to have consistency is quite high. So we do it the same way every single day, right? We track, measure, we adapt, we evolve with the markets, and we continue to test and continue to trade that way. So that's what we have to do. Yeah, so we don't touch it at all. We let it play out. And sure enough, it would just, the timing of this video right now is perfect. Yeah, so we hit target 1 at the 382. Now what do? Well, we roll our stops to break even, don't we? Okay, so we got about 85 pips on the trade there. We take off half of the position because we trade 2 targets. So we take off half of the position and then we roll stops, right, to break even. Now we don't roll it all the way to, we don't roll it at break even. What we want to do is front run it. So here's break even, and then we want to move it just a little bit higher than that, okay? So that way, yeah, we're not at break even, we're about 5 to 7 pips before our entry. Why did we do that? Because we want to account for the spread. That's it, right? If we have 5, 6, 7 pips spread, then when we roll our stops to break even, that's where we want to roll it at. So an extra 5 pips or extra 7 pips, and we just want to account for the spread, because at break even you want to get out for 0. You don't want to get out for minus $50 or whatever it is you're trading. Okay, so that's what we do. We front run the break even just a little bit to account for the spread. Now what do we do? Nothing. You don't do anything. Pound yen 1 hour time frame. Bat pattern just hit target. The timing is perfect, which is good for this video. Grateful for that. Now we wait for 1 or 2 things to happen. Either we're going to hit target 2 at the 618, which would be great. That would be an extra 78 pips. Let's just say 75 pips, to be honest. Yeah, that would be an extra 75 pips on the balance of the position. That'd be good. Or it's going to hit our stops. That's it. Our initial trade is done. That's it. So target 2 is a bonus if we get there, right? So 1 or 2 things is going to happen. It's either going to hit target 2 or we're going to get stopped out for break even. And then over on the euro dollar, same thing here. So we've got swing high all the way down to swing low. Looking at a 382 for our B point right there, and a 618 for our C point. Waiting to see if price action moves all the way up into our D point completion. So that's a Fibonacci retracement. Excuse me. Full leg of the move, leg of this. Okay. And our entries will be just before the 886. Again, want to front run our entries there. So this would be our sell zone right there. So if price action moves all the way up into the 886, then we're looking to sell. Okay. Where are we looking to sell to? Fibonacci retracement. Swing low all the way to swing high. Okay. We're looking for targets at a 382 for target 1 and 618 for target 2. Now those were, you were meant to follow along with these trades with me. I didn't expect pound yen. Yeah, I didn't expect pound yen to just fly up like that. I was trying to get this out to you so you can actually draw it up on your charts and follow along with me, because that's what I would love to do. Again, I will bring another video to you tomorrow. I'm trying to do a trade of the day so people can follow along with me. If you are not a member of the Start Classroom, please consider signing up. It is free. Get in touch with me, and I look forward to working alongside with you to help you achieve getting some positive results this year. That's all I want for you. That would be wonderful. If we can do that together, then I'm servicing the community correctly. And that in itself is fulfilling. All right. So click the link in the description, get on there, and I'll talk to you soon. Maybe, depending on if I'm awake or not. All right. So thank you so much for watching this video. Until tomorrow, be safe, enjoy life, and I'll talk to you then. All right. Thanks so much.